Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? All right, let's get started. Our date today is Thursday, May 21. Can you say that with me? Ready? Thursday, May 21. Good job, boys and girls. My weather right now is a little bit cloudy, but I'm really hoping for some sun later. And maybe we can go and play outside, right? Okay, so today we're going to work on some shapes and we're going to work on our letter Z. Okay, so the first shape I have is a circle. A circle, we know a circle, it goes around and around and around. So let's draw our circle. You can start up at the top, at the bottom, wherever you'd like because it's just a big circle. So I'm going to start up at the top and we just go all the way around. Good job, boys and girls. My next shape is a square. Now we know a square because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Okay, so let's try to draw it. Start up at the top and you're going to go across, down, across, and back up. Good job, boys and girls. All right, our next shape is a triangle. Now we know a triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. So when we draw a triangle, we start up at the top, we go diagonal one way, go across the bottom, and back up to the top. Good job. All right, our next shape is a rectangle. Now we know a rectangle because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. But with a rectangle, I took my big strong muscles and I stretched them out. Okay, so let's try to draw that. We're going to start up at the top and we're going to go across just like a square, but we're going to go a little bit longer. Okay, we'll go down, but not so far. We'll go back across and we'll go back up. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's take a break from some shapes and work on our letter Z. Z says Z, Z, Z. Z, Z, Z. All right, let's sing our Amos song, okay? Z is the zebra sound. Z is the zebra sound. Z, Z, Z. Z, Z, Z. Buzzy, buzzy bee and zippy, zippy zebra. Z, Z, Z. Z, Z, Z. Good job, boys and girls. Now today is our story, our letter story. And guess what it's about? A zebra. So let's read our animal story. All right. Z is for zebra. This is the zoo. This is a zebra that lives in the zoo. His name is Zach. Zach loves to zoom all around the zoo. He zigs and zags and zips, but all that zooming zonks a zebra out. Good night, Zach. Oh, that was cute. He runs and runs and runs, and then he gets so sleepy. How silly. All right, let's get back to, oh, wait, we can't get back to our shapes. We have to draw and write our letter Z. Silly Mrs. Stonis. Okay, so when we write the letter Z, we always start at the top, and we're going to go all the way across the top. We're going to go diagonal across, down, and we're going to go across the bottom. Okay, let's try it again. And this time I'm not going to lift up my pencil to show you guys. All right, I'm just going to do it real quick. Okay, ready? Across the top, down and across the bottom. Super quick, super easy, right? Let's try it one last time. Start up at the top, across the top, down and across the bottom. Good job, boys and girls. Now we can get back to our shapes, okay? So my next shape is a heart. It's a heart. And we know it's a heart because it has 1, 2 bumps and a point at the bottom. And it shows you just how much Mommy and Daddy love you, right? We'll get back to a heart later in religion class. But there are 2 ways that we can draw a heart. So the first way is the most common way, but I know it's kind of tricky. So with a heart, you start at the point, okay? The point inside of the 2 bumps. And you go up and around, and you make that point at the bottom. You go back to the point in the middle, and you go to the other way, okay? Now, the other way, it might be a little bit easier for you guys to draw, is you make the 2 little bumps first. It kind of looks like an M. And then you go back to this side and you go down, down. Okay? That might make it a little bit easier so you're not swirling around so much. You just make 2 little bumps and then you connect them at the point. Okay? The next shape is a star. And we know it's a star because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Okay? Now, when we draw stars, I can't draw a star like this. It would not look very pretty. But most people would draw a star like this. And this one, I start at the bottom. And I go all the way up to the top. I go back to the bottom on the other side. I go over to the side. Go to the other side and back down to where I started. Okay? That one's really tricky. It's really tricky. But if you practice enough, I know you guys can do it. It's just a lot of straight lines, but in different directions. Our next shape is an oval. An oval is a shape that goes around and around and around. But I used my muscles and I stretched them out. Okay? So it doesn't matter if I draw it this way or this way. And to save myself some space, I'm going to draw it this way. Okay? So we're going to start up at the top. I always start up at the top except for my star. And we're going to go all the way around. Do you see how it's different between my oval and my circle? I stretched it out a little bit. Okay? And my last shape is a diamond. A diamond we can also call a rhombus. And we know that it's a diamond because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. But he's on its side. Okay? So when we draw a diamond or a rhombus, we start up at the top and we go down one way. We go down the other way. And then you just got to make a point at the bottom. Ready? Down. Down. See? Easy peasy, right? Okay. I think that's all I have for you right now, boys and girls. I'll see you later.